Okay, I'm going to get started here. Welcome to the Brew Robotics Club for October, day before Halloween. My name is Wayne Bradley, and I'm the president of the Brew Robotics Club. And I'm going to tell you what the agenda is for tonight. We do sort of club-related stuff at the very beginning, because we have a captive audience. I explain a little bit of the lay of the land, and then we have our presentation, which is tonight the Robot Challenge. It's basically a big show and tell. And then after that, we will have people just talking to one another. And at 10 o'clock, everybody is sort of kicked out into the parking lot. And it's kind of cold. I don't think there's going to be a very long parking lot conversation tonight. So let's do the most important thing, like burn the bathrooms. You see that door there with the exit sign? You go through that door, the bathrooms are to the right. Okay. I will also mention, people who don't know, if you look around the various places in this building, you'll see fiducials attached to various things. So, for example, way back there on the window is a fiducial. So I suspect that the wonders of fiducials are starting to percolate through people's mindset. Okay? There's also another one just on the other side of the door heading towards the bathroom. We're going to start with the club-related stuff. Okay? First thing is, next meeting is our election for officers for the following calendar year. Okay, I think I've got a complete set of people who want to run for the offices, so it'll be pretty pro forma. We've never yet had anybody contest an office, you know. We kind of need when that happens. So that's the first thing. Before I forget, there is a event that's occurring at the Computer History Museum. That's just down the shoreline here. And it's basically a reunion of the Homebrew Computer Club. And we've been offered some table space there. I think it's occurring on a Saturday. Is Rohan here? Rohan is the person who's been setting this up. Anyhow, how many people would be interested in doing something like that? A few, okay. What we're going to do is I will send a message to the list, and I'd like folks self-organize, unless we can get somebody who says they want to be the organizer for that. We have a volunteer to organize the table at the Homebrew Computer Club. That. Alan? Okay. So Alan's going to take charge, and I'll kick the message off.
You know the date?
What? I believe it's 11th. It's the 11th. It's not this Saturday, it's the following Saturday.
November 11th.
November 11th. What? I can't hear you.
11th would be a Monday.
November 11th.
November 11th. I'm sorry. Am I missing something?
November 11th is a Monday.
It's on Monday. It's not going to be Monday then. It's the 9th. Thank you. Yeah, all the smart people in this room, man. So, okay. Now, when I left to come to this meeting, I hit the send button on the advertising policy that we're finally going to do for the list. Okay. The advertising policy, very simply, is you pay, you get to do an ad. The backstory on all this is a lot of people, I didn't want to do it at all. Okay. A lot of people said, but no, ads are good. I mean, that's why you subscribe to Servo and nuts and bolts and stuff. So this is an experiment. We're going to see how it works out. I posted the rules. pretty sure there's like 2 people who want to post it, club members who want to post an ad right away. We'll see how it works. If you don't like it, you don't like the policies, track me down, tell me you don't like it, and I'll see what I can do. So that's the mail list issue. Okay. Now, how many people went to the WRRF events? Okay, very good. Okay, I'd like somebody to volunteer to get a report. Who's going to volunteer? We're gonna make seal to that. Okay.
You think? We had a number of judges who volunteered their time and did a wonderful job. Thank you so much. Oh, what is it? Okay, start again. Western Regional Robotics Forum is a not-for-profit formed in 2002 that puts on high school competitions robotics and also does workshops. And every year we have an event at a high school where 36 teams compete on a 54 by 27 foot field, 3 robots on 3 robots, roughly about 120 pounds apiece. And it grew from the first competition, which stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. Okay, so we also have workshops coming up on December 14th, by the way, at Santa Clara University. I was going to mention that. On electronics, CAD, Java, LabVIEW, 3D Studio Max, running a project, things like that. Okay, so anyway, we have 36 teams. It was a 3-month high school in Sunnyvale. We had a wonderful time. Everybody seemed to think it went well. And we really appreciate Homebrew's support. And the microphone I'm using, not this one, but the 2 handhelds, saved our bacon because we couldn't get the ones we planned. So we really appreciate that and recognize Homebrew in the program and a number of other places. Anything else you want? That's it.
Did you give out cool t-shirts? Good. Okay, so good. Okay, that more or less covers the robot club stuff. I'm going to say at least one more thing. I wanted to get something about the IEEE. Can you use that, David? Good.
Okay, good evening. It's that time of year where we're going to be holding elections for officers in the IEEE Robotics and Automated Systems Silicon Valley chapter, which serves the whole Bay Area. If you're interested in robotics, and if you're an IEEE member, please consider being an officer in the upcoming year. It's an opportunity to contact all the leaders in the field, learn from them, and it doesn't leave your career behind either. And it's about robotics, which most of us here are particularly fond of. So we are looking for all, essentially, administrative officers, chairman, vice chairman, secretary, treasurer, program director, and anybody else that wants to help out the cause of robotics, because that's what the IEEE is all about. It's information and enthusiasm about particular areas of technology. Robotics and automated systems is about robotics. So if you're interested, there's an announcement in the HBRC newsletter. Either myself, Dave Wyman, or Professor Ed Katz and CMU, you can talk to us. Yes. And you can also send your interest by email to the link shown in the Homebrew Robotics email, of which I have some copies if you don't have handy access to them. So please consider us. Consider getting involved at any levels, because what we do for the most part is encourage and have talks workshops and technical seminars near robotics. We are a technical complement to Homebrew Robotics. And in a sense, Homebrew Robotics gave birth to the Robotics Innovation Chapter in Silicon Valley. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, okay. Normally, I stick around for the whole meeting. Most of you know I've been under the weather for the past week, so I'm actually going to introduce our master of ceremonies for tonight, Ken. And I'll hang around for a little bit, but then I'm going to sort of meander off and go home and crawl under the covers.
Robotic.
Yeah, go ahead. Get a microphone. Yeah, can you get a microphone?
Okay, I'm going to pitch Ubiquity product. That's the other 500 gigawatt robot that's every Saturday over at Is that better?
Much better.
Now I know why people have problems singing the national anthem. So anyway, the chief agitator, David Crawley's wife went into labor on Monday, so hopefully he's dead now. I haven't heard. Anyway, we're making a lot of progress. We have 3 or 4 platforms that are running, and any level of robotic expertise is welcome. I mean, if you want to learn how to solder, we'll put you to work soldering boards. If you want to learn programming, we'll get you involved doing ROS, and the more the merrier. It's starting to gain momentum. Thanks.
Thank you.
Dr. Allen, Dr. Malaysia.
Very good. Now,
Tough crowd.
you gotta have to walk all the way over here in a moment.
Yes.
All right, everyone. I just wanted to give a quick plug. This Saturday is the Bay Area Science Festival up at AT&T Park. It's open to the public. It's completely free, I think. It's meant to have lots of different robotics companies up there showing off the robots and all sorts of different science tech. The UBR one will be there. We're going to have come get a photo of Uber, and we're going to have a photo booth so you can dress them up too and make crazy pictures with the robot, because I know that's what you want to do. And also, we're going to be giving away some t-shirts that are pretty cool. They say robotics without bounds. We don't need any boundaries. But anyway, I just want to encourage you, it's supposed to be very good for kids and families, and if you're interested in robotics, I think that Barry Science School would be really great for this kind of club. Right, thanks, Bob.
Good, Ken. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. With that, I think we're gonna wrap it up. This is
Talk about robot business.
is this their first time here? Okay. Oh, okay. Thanks for coming. Okay. The deal is fairly straightforward. I'm coming to these meetings, you should think about joining the club. Come to a few meetings first, okay? Our kid membership drive will be in January. Okay.
Did you talk about robot business?
What?
Robot business?
You want to talk about robot business?
Did you talk about
I didn't.
it? You were there?
I went. I mean, the coolest
Everywhere I went, they'd say, Wayne was here.
Yeah. I mean, the coolest robot was the UBR1 by far. Okay. So,
UBR1 rocks.
okay.
And Dexter was right across the aisle, so it was really nice.
Yeah. Well, we don't want to talk about Dexter.
Yes, we do. Dexter's really sweet. Everybody,
Yeah.
Dexter and UBR1 were the coolest things.
The thing I want to say is, the Unguided Robotics will be bringing the UBR1 to our next meeting. They're scheduled for our next meeting. So if you want to see a really cool robot, that's the meeting to come to.
Say the date.
I don't know.
Last Wednesday in November.
I don't It's November 20th.
I can't really do that.
Yeah.
Which way do you connect the
You're gonna get me on that.
Yeah, okay. So, thank you for bearing with us while I went through all the club stuff. Let's go to the neat stuff. I'm gonna hand it over to Kent, and he's gonna start firing off our robotic challenge. Thank you very much.